Hey class, in this recording we're going to focus on the alimentary canal. So as we look at our alimentary canal, really it's just a series of layers in our body. And we can find that here in Visible Body, Anatomy Atlas. I'm going to go to the microanatomy view. And if I go to digestive system, we can see a cross-section of the small intestine, which is really just representative of the alimentary canal. I like this transverse slice right here, where you can see the layers as a transverse slice. And I also appreciate being able to see it as a longitudinal slice with individual layers being peeled back. So let's go through it. We'll start off with the interior-most wall. That's going to be the mucosa, which lines the alimentary canal. So we can see the mucosa has folds, it has ridges. It's the innermost layer directly against the lumen. And as we look at our mucosa, there's a muscular layer of the mucosa. That muscular layer of the mucosa is the muscularis mucosa, and it's going to be this skinny little band right here. Next we have the submucosa. As we look at our submucosa, that next layer right here is going to consist of a highly vascularized layer of tissue, so there's going to be many blood vessels in that layer. Look at our cross section here, or transverse slice, there's the submucosa. And next we have the Muscularis Externa. This is the external muscular layer, and this Muscularis Externa can be broken up into two layers. We have a circular layer that's deep and a longitudinal layer that is superficial. The superficial and deep layers, or the circular layer and the longitudinal layers of muscle fibers, work together to squeeze and move food through the alimentary canal. These two layers, the circular and longitudinal layers of muscle, give us the peristaltic waves that move through food through the intestinal tract, or the alimentary canal. So, our final layer is the serosa. Sometimes it's referred to as the adventitia, and that's just the outermost layer. So that is going to be the outside layer that forms the boundary and that anchors our intestines in place. So that's all the layers of the alimentary canal. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them in our class discussion board or to shoot me an email. And as always, happy studies.